Good morning and happy Tuesday. I'm going to do a little shave and a little walkthrough on why I'm doing what I'm doing with wet shaving. First and foremost, always shave however you are most comfortable. Will I be shaving today? The thick beard stubble. This is itchy, it's stiff, it's hard. I'm gonna get a shower first to soften up those hairs to make for a better shave. It's gonna allow me to shave closer with less skin irritation. Today's shave of the day is going to be my wonderful Parker Safety Razors double edge safety razor. This is the 78R. The shave kit is Italian made Cella. This is a wonderful almond scented shave cream. Shower is done. The stubble is now softer. It's time to move on to the pre-shave gel. This is going to add to the lubricating layer, which is going to allow me a closer shave with less skin irritation. Now it's time to move on to soaking the brush in hot water for 30 to 60 seconds. This is the Parker 78R double-edged safety razor, about $26. These are the replacement blades. Change the blade out every 3 to 5 shaves. A pack of 100 like this is about 15 bucks. So for $40, you get a great shave kit. By placing your shave brush in water, it allows it to absorb that water. This is loading your brush, getting the shave soap into the brush. I like to add just a little more water. It's like putting soap in your wet hands and rubbing them together. Now I'm going to aerate that shave cream and make more. God, that smells good. By using a shave brush, this is going to exfoliate your skin, massage the skin, and prep the hairs for a closer, better shave. One thing I recommend is tighten the skin to make it flatter. This is going to help reduce the chances that you'll nick yourself. Facial hair grows in different directions. So for the closest shave, you want to shave with, across, and against the stubble growth. I already shaved down. Let's check. Now let's check against. Nicks can and do happen, whether you have skin imperfections, you push it a little too hard, or you tilt the razor at a bad angle. This is an alum block. It's an antiseptic block that you get wet, you rub it on your skin, it soothes your skin and helps heal those little nicks. blow dry your comically large mustache. Now for a little aftershave balm. That did not hurt. For many years, I overused disposables like this. The pad would dry out, the blades would clog up, I would rip up my face and cause lots of skin irritation. This Parker 78R double-edged safety razor with hair guides. I change out the blades every 3 to 5 shaves. It's about $26. I'm going to keep this for decades. A pack of 100 blades for this is about $15. You can do the math. This one is a better option. Cella, Italian-made almond scented shave cream. Amazing. That is a great shave. Who are you?